Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Caged torture killer demands human rights. Compo claiming he suffered mental trauma when jail staff broke his Xbox. A caged torture killer has demanded human rights compensation, claiming he suffered mental trauma when prison officers broke the Xbox in his cell. Nigel Farmer, 49, was jailed for a minimum 35 years in 2009 for an orgy of bloodletting, in which 2 French students were bound, gagged and stabbed more than 244 times. But he launched a claim for up to £10,000 earlier, this month claiming jail staff broke his Precious Games console at Full Sutton Prison in York. Farmer sued for damages at Central London County Court after the console stopped working, blaming rough handling by officers during the routine search. He said that the loss had caused him mental trauma, as he was forced to spend hours in his cell with nothing to do. Farmer brought his claim in a category for cases worth up to £10,000, asking to be compensated for the loss of his Xbox plus damages for his mental health being impacted. Giving judgment on the claim, Judge Laura Orger said she had sympathy for him, adding that she understood why he had brought the claim. He represented himself in court by video link and was seen sipping coffee as he outlined his case. But Judge Orger went on to dismiss his claim on the grounds that there was no evidence that prison officers had caused the damage. Farmer and accomplice Don O'Sonex tortured 2 French students for 3 hours before killing them and setting fire to their home in southeast London in June 2008. The helpless victims, PhD research students Laurent Bonomo and Gabriel Ferraz, suffered hundreds of stab wounds in the torture ordeal branded truly horrific by a judge. Farmer was jailed for life with a 35-year minimum term after Mr. Justice Saunders said, "I am satisfied that the only possible reason for the number of stab wounds is that the killings were sadistic. The killers got pleasure from what they were doing." Farmer told his compensation court trial that a prison officer broke his Xbox during a cell search in January 2024. But Judge Orger ruled. The claimant claims that the loss of the Xbox has impacted his mental health, as he has spent many hours locked up in his cell with little distraction. "I have sympathy for the claimant's position, and I can understand why he has brought this claim. It is possible that the officers did break the property in question, but the court can only rely on the evidence before it, and the fact that the Xbox stopped working after the cell search does not meet the requirements of the standard of proof."